Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you this pocket letter I literally just finished. See, the glue's not even dry yet on my little beads. So yeah, I really love these doll die cuts, little girl die cuts, doll die cuts, whatever you want to call them, which I got on AliExpress, and I just love using them. So I use some sparkly paper. I really like how they do their pants. I have some holes and some not holes. I didn't want to poke all the little holes out. But, yeah. So I just want to show you this one I just finished. I love this one. I think I use this one the most. And I get these little hearts all over the place. They're everywhere. But, yeah. So I just wanted to show you this one. My shiny paper. I like doing odd color combinations. So, yeah. I just wanted to show you that. So, yeah, that die cuts came from AliExpress. The tape was Dollar Store, Dollarama. I buy this tape all the time. It's my favorite tape. Actually, this is from Dollarama too, the shiny tape, and the little speeds I got from Walmart. The gemstones are the most expensive. I think there's $3 for a bag. Yeah, and you get a bag like this. That was $3. Yeah, and yeah. The die cuts range from, I think I paid $3 for some, $4 for some, and I think I paid $5 for one. So yeah, they're different prices, but they're on there. You just have to search doll die cuts. So I haven't done a video for a while. Just been busy. But yeah, so I thought I'd show you this one. This is the one I just finished. This is actually for my Facebook group. So this has a home, and I'm working on another one that's not quite finished. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you this, and yeah, later.